Good afternoon, students. I am Snehalata Samal, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, Bose, Cuttack. Today I will discuss on all-day efficiency of single-phase transformer, which is from subject Energy Conversion 1, Chapter 3. So in my last video, I have discussed about efficiency of transformer and what are the types of losses in a transformer. So we know that efficiency of a transformer is output power in kilowatt divided by input power in kilowatt into 100. That is the efficiency of transformer, which is also known as the commercial efficiency or general efficiency of a transformer. So what is all day efficiency? That means all day efficiency is the ratio of output power to the input power in kilowatt hour or watt hour of the transformer over 24 hours. That means आमे गोटे दिन रे जदि efficiency calculate करूचे, that is the all day efficiency. So by comparing this, we can write efficiency all day is equal to output power for 24 hours and input power for 24 hours into 100. So this is the difference between efficiency and all day efficiency. So for which transformer we are applying the all day efficiency? Generally in distribution transformer, which are used for supplying consumers, residential, office complex, or sometimes this transformer may be practically under no load condition, say at midnight, or may be overloaded during peak evening hours. So distribution transformer जो गुड़ा आमर होम को जाउची किबा ऑफिस को जाउची, that transformer आमे यूज करूचे all day efficiency, because this transformer load does not constant, means at evening the load is overloaded and in the midnight there is no load. So this transformer varies very widely. So the load on such transformer vary very widely over a day or 24 hours. So to judge the efficiency, normal efficiency judge kariba pai, this is not fair. So we should calculate this transformer by all day. So efficiency we can calculate for 24 hours. So all day efficiency, alternatively called the energy efficiency calculated for distribution transformers to judge how efficient are they. That means all day efficiency is also known as the energy efficiency. Why energy efficiency? Because all day efficiency is the power with respect to time. So it is also known as the energy efficiency. Now let's see, the transformer supplying for residential, office complex, etc. have their primary energized all time. That means आमे जो ऑफिस रे किंबा तमरो घरे आमरो प्राइमरी टा सब बेले एनर्जाइज हबो. That means सप्लाई सब बेले जाउथिबो से ट्रांसफार्मर को. So see here, this is the core of the transformer and this one is the primary winding of the transformer and this is the secondary winding of the transformer. This is the primary winding and this one is the secondary winding of the transformer, and this is the, we all know, this one is the core of the transformer. So in this case the primary is energized for 24 hours. That means the core loss occurs for 24 hours. That means here core loss occurs, core loss, or which is also known as iron loss. Then comes to the what about the copper loss. Since when the transformer is no load, we know that copper loss is 0 because current is 0. So when we give the load to the transformer, then only the copper loss occurs. So but the copper loss happens only when the secondary side is loaded. Though the load of the transformer is not constant throughout the day, so the copper losses are not constant. That means जेहेतु ए डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफॉर्मर लोड गुड़ा कांस्टेंट नुहे सेतिपाई कॉपर लॉसेस भी कांस्टेंट नुहे तमने थ्रू आउट डे और 24 आवर्स इट इज वेरिंग कॉपर लॉस इज वेरिंग. So how the copper loss varies? That means we know that when no load, the copper losses are negligible. Why negligible? Because load is directly proportional to current. जेतेबेले no load, here when we do not give any load, then secondary side current is 0. So load is directly proportional to the current. So when current 0, copper losses will be 0. That is I square R. Copper losses is equal to I square R. So when the transformer is on no load, copper losses is 0. So when we give load to the transformer, so copper losses are changing, or according to load current goes on, so copper losses occurs when load given to the transformer. So in 24 hours copper losses are also varying. So the performance of such transformer is compared on the basis of energy consumed in one day. So a transformer performance आमे केमती जानिबा, आमे जानिबा तारो केते एनर्जी कंज्यूम हैला वन डे रे केते एनर्जी कंज्यूम हैला ताकू नहीं कि आमे तारो परफॉर्मेंस जानी परिबा से ट्रांसफॉर्मर. So now see here the formula for all day efficiency. Efficiency all day is equal to energy output in kilowatt hour in 24 hours divided by the energy input in kilowatt hour in 24 hours. That is also, it can be written as, the input can be written as the output in kilowatt hour plus the total losses in 24 hours. See the formula. So that's why the formula is energy output in kilowatt hour in 24 hours plus output in kilowatt hour in 24 hours plus energy losses in the 24 hours. So what is the energy losses? Energy losses is losses occurs in the transformer, that is the losses occurs in the core and losses occurs in the winding. That means losses occurs in the core is core loss or iron loss, that is for 24 hours, and losses in the winding is copper loss. Copper loss winding re hi hue. So the formula for the all day efficiency is like this. So now what is kilowatt hour? The power consumed in kilowatt for an hour. माने घोटे घंटे रे केते power consume करछि, that is the kilowatt hour. Next see that is example for finding all day efficiency of a transformer. See the question is like this. Find all day efficiency of 500 kVA distribution transformer whose copper loss and iron losses at full load are 4.5 kilowatt and 3.5 kilowatt respectively. So during the day it is loaded as follows. Say 400, these are the loads. 400 kilowatt at 0.8 power factor for 6 hours, 300 kilowatt at 0.75 power factor for 10 hours, then 100 kilowatt at 0.8 power factor for 4 hours, and the last is on no load for 4 hours. This is the load variation for a distribution transformer whose rating is 500 kVA. So यार आमे केमती कैलकुलेट करबा ऑल डे एफिशिएंसी एई अनुसार से ट्रांसफॉर्मर लोड वेरी करूची तो आमे केमती ताको कैलकुलेट करबा. So see the solution. So see the question again. It is given that 500 kVA, that means the transformer rating is given in 500 kVA. So we should convert the load. This should be converted to the kVA since the rating is given in kVA. So how to convert kilowatt to kVA? That we all know that power in kilowatt is equal to power is equal to, we know that VI cos phi. So P in kilowatt and VI is in kVA. Since I have taken kilowatt, so here also kVA, kilovolt ampere. Then cos phi is the power factor. So kVA is equal to kilowatt divided by the power factor. In this way we convert kilowatt to kVA. So see, here given 400 kilowatt at 0.8 power factor. So 400 kilowatt divided by power factor, that will be 400 divided by 0.8, which is equal to 500 kVA. Next load is 300 kilowatt at 0.75 power factor, that is equal to 300 by 0.75, which is equal to 400 kVA. Now 100 kilowatt at 0.8 power factor, that will be 100 by 0.8, which is equal to 125 kVA. So these are all load which converted to kVA, kilowatt converted into kVA. Now to find, it is given that the copper losses at 500 kVA load is equal to 4 kilowatt for 1 hour. It is already given in the question that the copper losses are at 500 kVA load is 4.5 kilowatt for 1 hour. So here kVA is given 500, and that is that kVA is for given, it is, see, that kVA is for 6 hours. So 1 hour pai jodi amaro achi 4.5 kilowatt. So for 6 hours at 500 kVA load, the copper losses will be 4.5 into 6 kilowatt hour. Why kilowatt hour? Because the full load copper loss is 4.5 kilowatt and 6 is the hour. So that is why it is kilowatt hour. Next, this is for one load, that is 500 kVA load. Next load given, see, the next load given 300 kilowatt 0.75 power factor for 10 hours. So if 500 kVA load, that is full load copper loss, which is given 4.5 kilowatt. So jodi 500 kVA load re copper losses hochi 4.5 kilowatt, tale what will be the 400 kVA load? So copper losses at 400 kVA load is equal to 400 divided by 500 square into full load copper loss. Why? This I have already said in my previous video, that is copper losses is equal to I square R. So the here 400 kVA is the asking load. Eta हमको पचरा जायछि किंतु given अछि and the 500 is the given load. So asking load divided by the given load whole square into full load copper loss. So square is for I square. I depends upon the load. So these are the load. So 400 is the asking load and 500 is the given load whole square into full load copper losses. So we know that full load copper losses is equal to 4.5. That means 400 divided by 500 square into 4.5, which is equal to 2.88 kilowatt for 1 hour. So this data is for 1 hour, but this load is for 10 hours. See the question again, 300 kilowatt 0.75 power factor for 10 hours. So for 1 hour it is 2.88 kilowatt. So next for 10 hours. So for 10 hours, see, for 10 hours the copper losses at 400 kVA load is equal to 2.88 into 10 kilowatt hour. So this is the copper losses for 10 hours 400 kVA load. Now see, what is the value for 125 kVA load? See, the copper losses at 125 kVA load for 1 hour. Similarly, like this is the asking load, 125 is the asking load and 500 is the given load. So 125 divided by 500 square into 4.5, which is equal to 0.281 kilowatt, and this is for 1 hour. So for 4 hours the copper losses at 125 kVA load is equal to 0.281 into 4 kilowatt hour. So these are the copper losses. Now what is the copper last load is no load. That means at no load the copper losses is 0 because current is 0. So copper losses at no load is equal to 0. So the total copper losses in 24 hours is equal to copper losses for 6 hours load plus copper losses for 10 hours load plus copper losses for 4 hours load. That is 4.5 into 6 plus 2.88 into 10 plus 0.281 into 4, which is equal to 56.924 kilowatt hour, and this is the value of total copper loss of the given loads. Now to find iron loss. How to find iron loss? It is already given in the question that iron loss, see the question again. The iron loss is given for full load is 3.5 kilowatt. That means the 3.5 kilowatt is for 1 hour. So iron loss occurs in 24 hours. As I said, the iron loss occurs for 24 hours because we are giving the supplying to the distribution transformer and it occurs for 24 hours. So iron loss takes place throughout the day, that is for 24 hours. So which is equal to 24 into 3.5, that is equal to 84 kilowatt hour. So this is the value of iron or core loss of the transformer. For 1 hour it is 3.5 kilowatt and for 24 hours it is 24 into 3.5 kilowatt hour. Now comes to the total losses. We know that the total losses is the total copper loss plus total iron loss or total core loss, which is equal to 56.924 plus 84, which is equal to 140.924 kilowatt hour. This is the total loss. Now to find the all day efficiency, we need output energy in kilowatt hour during a day, and the formula for that is the formula output energy in kilowatt hour during a day and input energy in kilowatt hour during a day. So input energy again converted into output energy plus total energy or total losses, energy spent for total losses. So we should calculate the output energy in kilowatt hour during a day. So what is the value of output power in kilowatt for 24 hours? See, the transformer output for 24 hours is equal to output for 6 hours plus output for 10 hours plus output for 4 hours. See the question. See, 400 kilowatt for 6 hours. So output will be 400 into 6, C, or 6 into 400. Then again 300 kilowatt for 10 hours. So it will be 10 into 300 plus 100 kilowatt for 4 hours. So that will be 4 into 100. That is equal to 5800 kilowatt hour. So this is the total output power in kilowatt hour for this given load. Now this is the formula. So we put the value of output energy in kilowatt hour during a day is equal to 5800 divided by 5800 plus 140.924 into 100, which is the 140 is the total losses into 100, that is percentage. So the answer will be 97.6%. That is the all day efficiency of a transformer. So now the questions from these topics are, why the all day efficiency is always less than the commercial efficiency? Why? Because the input is energized for 24 hours. So iron and core loss occurs throughout the day. So that is why it is always less than the commercial efficiency. Second one is the give the difference between the ordinary efficiency and all day efficiency. Ordinary efficiency और all day efficiency भितर difference कौन है? Now third one, why iron losses taken for 24 hours while calculating all day efficiency? Because our residents को office को 24 hours energized करिबा दरकार. And the last one is a problem, that is a short problem. A 100 kVA lightning transformer has full load losses of 3 kilowatt. The losses being equally divided between the irons and copper. During a day, the transformer operates on full load for 3 hours, 1.5 loads for 4 hours, and the output being negligible for the remainder of the day, and calculate the all day efficiency. So we should calculate for all day efficiency for this data. So all day efficiency is output power in 24 hours divided by input power in 24 hours into 100. Here given the full load losses is 3 kilowatt and it is equally divided between iron loss is 1.5 kilowatt and the copper loss is also 1.5 kilowatt. And is it given that full load the copper loss during a day the transformer operates full load for 3 hours. That means copper loss for 3 hours is 1.5 into 3 plus again it is during a day the transform full load for 3 hours and 1/2 loads for 4 hours. 1/2 load रे तमरो 4 hours काम करछि त माने the copper loss will be 1.5 pro square into 1.5 is the for half load copper loss which is for 4 hours. This is the total copper loss. This is the total copper loss. And iron loss as usual, iron loss given 1.5 kilowatt and it is for 24 into 1.5 kilowatt. So like this we solve the efficiency of the transformer. So if you have any contact, then my WhatsApp number is 9692030770. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने और पुओं पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील मानू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने को ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी ITI माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम। एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठु आगरे सबुठु उपरे।
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा।